Welcome to the overview and demo of DigitalXC Service Cloud. We digitize and provide IT services on cloud. Any type of IT service request, be it end user computing related, DevOps related, data center related, we digitize and automate the services and provide them on our service cloud. Enterprises merely need to subscribe to these services based on their need and pay for what they use. For an end user, they get a consumer-like experience. Every service is like a catalog. They order any of the catalogs based on their needs and have them delivered instantly. What AWS is for infra world, we are for the IT services world. We provide services at a click. For enterprises, you only buy the outcomes on a pay-as-you-go model. Any service can be ordered anywhere, anytime, and delivered instantly to users. Our platform comes preloaded with 70 plus catalogs in the area of end user computing, DevOps, data center. If you have more complex services like user onboarding, offboarding, access control, etc., we would chain these services through a workflow and can spin a new catalog in just a few hours. Organizations don't pay for automation, they only pay for their usage. You are guaranteed an increase in speed of delivery, reduced cost of IT services by 30 to 40%, faster speed of automation, better enterprise agility, but most importantly, a significantly improved user experience. If you don't have the services that you need, we should always be able to create one new for you in a short time. Once subscribed, these services are available on your enterprise self-service exchange. Now, let us take you over to the user-facing front end and give you the experience of what self-service and zero-touch looks like. This is the user-facing front end for DigitalXC immediately. I will start with an OTP-based password reset. It is actually available at the login screen itself. You do not have to log into the platform. So once I select where I want to have the password reset done, whether it is an Active Directory or it can be any other application that is not SSO enabled, it gives us an option of sending an OTP either to an alternate email ID or to the phone number. These would have been already configured and made available within your Active Directory. I select, in this case, the phone number where the OTP will be sent, and I receive the OTP on my cell phone. I'm able to enter the details and reset the password. Now I will take you to another use case, which is very common in enterprises, like creating a user ID on G Suite. Now you could have Office 365 as your email ID. We should be able to do so. We already have this pre-built. I'm able to go order, provide the essential details, and have this ID being created almost immediately. Next, I wanted to show you a more complex use case of doing an application as a service on AWS. Now, the platform is capable of delivering services for both desktop as well as on cloud. The application as a service catalog here spins Magento, which is an e-commerce engine on AWS. As you can see, these are the basic inputs that are given, and you can customize this at the time of subscription to make it as simple as possible so that the users really do not have to enter much. You're able to go click this and have it ordered. We're able to click and order these details. As you can see, this is being spun up almost immediately. We'll show you one more use case of how, for a DevOps case, we can create a repository quickly. So here is an example of how I can create a GitHub repository. I'm providing the necessary details, placing the order, and I'm able to have this happen immediately. As you can observe, the order page in this particular platform is almost very similar to what you would see from an e-commerce. The platform has been built with an e-commerce front end, so you will have all the features very similar to what you would have when ordering through Amazon. So the order page gives you a list of the orders that have been placed as well as the status of them. Now, the platform also has an opportunity for us to create more complex use cases. Let me show you an example of what I mean by a complex use case. If you look at the project startup, now this is a sample use case that has multiple tasks associated with it. Now these tasks are what you want it to be. In this particular case, it has steps that involves creating a development environment, creating a test environment, providing access on Active Directory, assigning group access, and so on. At the back end, all of these services are chained and provided as one simple catalog. So when I go and place an order, all the inputs are collected up front and the system starts executing them one after the other. And this is how it works. The entire feature of chaining these services is made available to you through a zero code service designer. As you can see here, through the service designer, you can drag and drop any type of service and you should be able to assemble it just like assembling Lego blocks in your system. DigitalXC will continue to build these blocks for you, and if they are not already available, we can create them at no additional cost. So the entire experience for enterprise IT is one where it eliminates the need for them to go do additional automation, and for end users, it's like a consumer-like experience where they are able to get services delivered instantly through self-service. Thank you.